Hi guys, welcome to re-unboxing Inju Note. Our first edition is the Inju Note White. As we can see here, we can see the specification. Come on. Okay, we will open it in 1 minute. Oh, it's very durable and strong. You see it? It is dropped. It's color white. And the battery is already installed. Here are the manuals. And this one is the charger. As you can see, the charger is elegant and color black. Very nice. Inju. Okay. How about the processor? You can see I already installed the flash of plans. Let's open it. Oh, it's very fast. Okay, that's all. Thank you. Bye bye.